Hi Stampin' friends, my paper pumpkin just arrived. This is the Full of Charm June 2025 kit, and I thought we would open it together. There are so many good ones coming out. They get better and better each time. I always buy extra, so if you ever miss one and you wish you didn't, there's a link to my blog in the video description that'll take you to my sale page that has all of the older paper pumpkins that I might have. Ooh, favorite color. Well, one of my favorite colors, Pretty Peacock. Anyway, I might have an extra kit if you missed out on this one, so check that out. It's bethspapercut.com, but I'll put a link in the description. So this is Pretty Peacock. This is our color. Very exciting. I'll show you the stamps in just a minute when they give me the printed stamp insert. Now this kit is called Full of Charm. It's going to coordinate with a new bundle that comes out in July, and demonstrators were able to get it now, but you don't need it for this. It's just telling you that it coordinates with that. So if you love the look of this, you might want to check out that suite that's coming out in just 10 days. So look, already I like the geometric patterns here. That is fun. Okay, ooh, pretty die cuts. Okay. Ooh, look at that. This is a beautiful kit. Okay, so let's take a look at it. Here's the stamps. I told you I was going to show you when it's easier to see on here. But you've got a few florals and some leaves and really nice sentiments. Miss you, let's celebrate you, thank you, happy birthday, and to a wonderful friend. And they kind of look similarly to this. And these are the kind of fun stamps where you've got kind of like these little dotted areas of the photopolymer, and then solid areas, which gives you lights and darks with one pass. See how you've got a dark and a light on this printed one? The stamped image is going to do the same thing. So that's really fun. And here's how the leaf will look. See how you've got lights and darks? It's really a nice way to do a stamp. You got the veining in there. It's really pretty and soft. So I like when they do the stamps like that. Now they do give you this printed little sheet, and if you want, you can turn this into a sleeve. All you do is add a little bit of tear tape down two sides, and it's a little pocket, and that's how I store mine, in a little pocket. And you can just use the enclosed tear tape to do that. Oh, this is from a different kit. I have these on my desk because I kind of put them aside and I keep using the old ones, and then I end up with a lot of these cute little dots. Here's some more on my desk, and those little dimensional packs. So you get all the adhesive you need. Here are some die cuts. Let's take a look at the envelopes. These are very cute envelopes. You've got a spot here in the center to write the address. Cute envelopes. I love that. I think that's pumpkin pie maybe, or maybe it's the new Timid Tiger. Really cute. Oh, and these. All right, I like these a lot. Okay, so you have some gold foil in the background and a beautiful watercolor. I really, you know, if you've seen my channel before, you know I like all things watercolor. That is a gorgeous card. I wonder what goes on top of that. And then here you've got some more gold foil in that same pattern like on the envelopes. Beautiful. And I know a lot of people who cut these in half and use both sides and make more cards. A lot of my customers do that, and it's a great idea. Here's another gold foil. Oh, okay. Look at, okay. I'm going to start with the labels so I can put them aside. These are the labels for your sentiments. All right, let's put that aside and look at this gorgeousness. Okay, look at that. Beautiful laser cut. And I bet I saw on the directions, or at least I saw on the paper, on the cover sheet, that this layers on top of this for this gorgeous overlay. And isn't that beautiful? I'd be tempted to not do it and then save this for something else. Oh, that'd be tempting. And this is really pretty. I love these colors too. They almost are fall, but not quite. But that's a great idea for, keep that color combination in mind. The orange and the blue and the green for a nice fall. All right, what else? And then we have these, which I saw already. Okay, beautiful, beautiful cards. Let's take a look at the directions. All are gorgeous. Beautiful cards, beautiful kit. This is the Full of Charm June 2025, and like I said, it's going to coordinate with the Floral Charm. I'm going to have to look that up. Charm bundle that has papers. If you like the look of this, they're going to have papers and stamps, a big set that comes in the online exclusive, so you'll be able to take a look at that. And here are the instructions. Yeah, they overlay. That's just beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. If you missed out on this kit, you can ask if I have another one, and I will see if I do. 9 cards and envelopes. Little sequins. It's gorgeous. It's a gorgeous set. I love Pretty Peacocks, so that's one of my favorite. And Lost Lagoon. My walls are Lost Lagoon in my room here. Okay, I also want to point out really quickly that each quarter a new die set comes out, and these are not needed to make the kit, but they kind of coordinate a little bit. And so like you'll notice some of this kind of look in these pieces. And so this was a past one, but the next one that's coming out, it's actually out right now, and it's going to coordinate with July, August, and September. This one is so cute that I snapped it up right away as soon as I could because I love it. Look at this adorable little tiny die set. It's so cute. And when I saw an example made with it, I had to have it because, first of all, you can always use more sizes of stitch circles. So I'm going to keep that, and that's going to be great. But my favorite is this. So this piece here, and the July kit is strawberry themed. So here you've got a strawberry with the cute little seed holes in it. You kind of can use it as a solid with the stamped image, or you can make a strawberry like out of cardstock and put those little holes in it, which would be adorable. And then here's a leaf that you can use. But look what happens when I take that away and then I put this, then you're into the September kit. Oh, it's stuck on there good. Which is an acorn. And I love acorns. I like making little acorn fairies with my daughter. So look at how cute that is. So when I saw that it was an acorn and a strawberry, it had to go right into my shopping cart. So that is really cute. And then of course this hello is really a nice hello. You can make a whole card with just the word hello and then the circle in different color cardstock and a bunch of strawberries. And it could be like a card you send now for somebody in hello in the spring and summer. And then if you want, you just change it into acorns and do different colors and put the hello on a different background. And you've got a fall card made just with this die set. It's such a nice little die set. I think it's $12. So anyway, this is only for Paper Pumpkin subscribers. If you wish you were a Paper Pumpkin subscriber and never want to miss a month, you can click on the link in the video description and it'll take you, I'm not going to put that in there because I'm going to use that. It'll take you to the how to subscribe to Paper Pumpkin and never miss a kit. And you can of course always skip a month or cancel at any time, but that will get you started. And then if you missed a month and you wish you hadn't, you can click on over to my blog and look at my garage sale tab, and I will put in there any retired items that I might have. Some of these past kits, if I didn't sell all the ones I buy them and I bring them to my events, and a lot of my customers kind of shop them for gifts or to bring it home after the event. They want to make more things, and they're so pretty. So a lot of times they sell out, but I do buy a few, so you can always see if I have the one that you're looking for. And if you wish, you could get these dies too. This is something you don't have to be a subscriber for. Oh, not, this is not the die. Here's the die. And here's the one from the previous quarter, and there's even past ones. So anyway, let me know if you're missing something and you wish you had it. I might have it for you. And that is it. That is what is inside the Full of Charm Paper Pumpkin kit for June. Thanks so much for watching.